Alright, what's up? I'm building a computer. That's what's up. This is my operating system I left at my house. Oh, my tube. That's the intro.
And I'm helping him.
Yeah, I'm Brandon. This is Brandon. We're B squared. Woo! List of parts right here. I'm blocked by the motherboard right now, but list of all the parts is right here. There you go. That's what it's gonna be. That's all my parts. All right. All right. I'm taking my shoes off because my toes are getting scrunched. Okay.
Go ahead and get this popped in that way.
Okay. I think it's in there. Feels like it's in there.
There's this beautiful. Like I love the white and the blacks with this thing. So
yeah, it looks beautiful.
Really freaking nice.
Installation instructions for your Intel i7. I've got a cut tape.
There's a little triangle. There's a little one. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it, but there's a little triangle in the bottom corner.
There, that's what he's talking about.
Yep. Now you always want to be careful when doing this that nothing gets in there. No touchy. And you also want to make sure you don't touch the pins. So you just want to make sure everything's still gonna be lined up. Just place it in. And that's all you do. And then this goes back down underneath that screw, and then voila.
We in this!
How many sticks you got? Is it just 2 sticks or is it 4?
It's a 2, I believe.
We'll figure it out.
We got the RAM in my thing and my processor. We're now gonna put my power supply, which mounts
up top. Here. We can go ahead and take this out also.
Actually, no. Here, I'm gonna move this camera to a different spot. Okay, that's a better angle.
So he's got about 450 watts of juiciness in Corsair. I love Corsair. So,
are you cooking your foot?
My foot's cold.
Okay. Did you just lose one of my screws? Did you lose one of my screws?
Yes, I lost one of your screws.
Why did you lose one?
The woes of building computers.
I got a disk drive because I'm a nerd.
I've never done this.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking too, honestly.
This Extendo Wando.
Jesus.
2 more screws. Editor, please cut all this crap out. Oh wait.
I'm literally right here.
I believe all your screws are done, sir. So, popped out, yeah.
Wait, like this whole part?
Ooh, she got some ice cream. I want some ice cream.
Chocolate peanut butter. Yo, that sounds good.
Haagen-Dazs is like amazing.
So shoot dang. Oh, she looking good. Oh god, don't knock more screws off, Jesus. Yeah. We've already lost one. We don't need to lose any more. Is this the computer equivalent of the kid holding the light for his dad while he fixes the car, just without less cussing and throwing of tools?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, so he's not really going for cable management, although you're not going to be able to see. He doesn't have a window. You're not cool enough for a window.
Okay, so I'm saving some time in editing here. What happened for the next 2 hours was that Brandon and I screwed around with the case and the graphics card and the 2 terabyte internal hard drive and the solid state drive. What it is that happened is that the case, because I spent $45 on it, it's a little bit too small. So I'm going to upgrade in like a month or so to a new case. And once I do that, you'll see an update video of, oh hey, we're transferring everything over to the new case. That's what happened for the next 2 hours. If there's any funny clips after this, I'll show those. Maybe we'll cut to the end, who knows. But yeah.
Oh my gosh, even plugging in the power, this thing's in the way.
It is now 10 o'clock. We've been working on this for like an hour and a half. I want to die. I have work in the morning. I wake up at 5. God help me. Also, kids, lesson to be learned here. Don't spend 45 bucks on a case and expect anything good. I did. I learned from my mistakes. Where did it go? Oh, there it is.
Is that my butt?
Such thrilling video action, and it's not even pointing in the right spot.
Hit the monitor.
Alright, we finally got it working.
Well,
not working, but we got it together. Thank God. Sorry, lights. Alright.
go power cables for the monitor.
Yes.
Let's see if we've got any internal lights. Ooh, we do!
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
What?
It's flashing.
Ooh.
We've got...
Oh, hey, it's doing something. Alright. So I know it's dark, which you can't really see, but I have LEDs that light up in there.
I have some. Once again, $45 cases suck. We've actually got it booted up. Windows is on it. See, there's my little fan. It's actually blue. It's not purple like it looks on here. I'll probably fix that in post. But anyways, yeah. We have been this.
Now comes the real thing.
All right.
I'm about to test the speed on how fast this bad boy starts up. You ready?
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, 3, 2, 1.
Put your comfort in.
Oh my God.
Alright, so right click real quick. We are going to do.
Alright, we're done here. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is me the next day. I'm editing. I'm very tired because I got very little sleep the day before. And I just edited this video in all of 2 hours, when normally on my laptop it would have taken me today, tomorrow, and Friday. I love this computer. See y'all.